सो रावण's फर्स्ट फुल ट्रेलर इज फाइनली है और एक चीज मुझे काफी अच्छी लगी, दे रिलीज इट अराउंड 4 AM बिकॉज अकॉर्डिंग टू हिंदू ट्रेडिशन दैट्स कंसिडर्ड अ रियली ऑस्पिशियस टाइम. आई थॉट दैट वाज अ नाइस टच. नाउ after watching the trailer a couple of times, here are a few things that really stood out to me. The first thing is actually something I wasn't expecting. The trailer is almost 4 minutes long or maybe more than that. और यूजुअली जब कोई ट्रेलर इतना लंबा होता है, समवेयर इन द मिडल यू सबकॉन्शियसली स्टार्ट चेकिंग हाउ मच ऑफ द ट्रेलर इज लेफ्ट. लेकिन यहाँ ऐसा एक बार भी फील नहीं हुआ. द पेसिंग इज जेन्युइनली सॉलिड. एवरी सीन नेचुरली पुल्स यू इनटू द नेक्स्ट वन. और देखते ही देखते पता नहीं चलता कि 4 मिनट्स कब खत्म हो गए. For me, that's one of the trailer's biggest strengths. The second thing that I really stood out to me was the contrast between Ram and Ravan. और मुझे लगता है कि ट्रेलर की most underrated aspect है ये. On one side you have Ravan, someone who is expanding his kingdom through war, through fear, through violence. But on the other side you have Ram, someone who's actually more powerful. फिर भी जब kingdom उनका है, वो उसे बिना किसी greed के छोड़ देता है. That parallel really stayed with me. Because the biggest difference between Ram and Ravan was never power, it was character. और मुझे लगता है ट्रेलर ने उस थॉट को बहुत ब्यूटीफुली कैप्चर किया है. And they showed this contrast from the beginning of the trailer. Now let's talk about CGI, because obviously that's what everyone's discussing. Personally, I think the majority of it really works. हाँ, कुछ शॉट्स ऐसे हैं जहाँ CGI और क्लीन हो सकता था, but you can still tell it's VFX. But those shots are very small part of the trailer. Most of the environments, the scale, creatures, even the battle sequences, they all looked really impressive. और एक चीज़ जो मुझे specifically पसंद आई, the night scenes. Usually darker scenes में CGI expose हो जाता है, लेकिन यहाँ lighting और atmosphere दोनों काफ़ी अच्छे लग रहे हैं. I think this trailer achieved exactly what it needed to. It didn't try to reveal everything. It didn't rush through the story. बस इतना दिखाए कि excitement और बढ़ जाए. और अगर ये फाइनल फिल्म का टोन है, then I'm genuinely excited. मुझे लगता है we'll probably get one more major trailer before the release, but if this is the direction they're going in, I'm completely on board. These are just a few of my thoughts after watching the trailer. Was there any moment that really stood out to you, or maybe a detail you think people are overlooking? Let's talk in the comments. Thank you for watching.